gi den sindi kachikole shuni mo sawachin ngagel gi ralu lebi kole shuni e ngachera midisu karage gelu lebi yenten keni gi chu ma dip shamidi to ra ngagel di imle ngagel di yewachin ralu lebi kole tumta chi shuni e deya dambo ngagel semidi kachi sumchulu lap mo sawachin zile ngagel khengpa chapani rangi chela chapai ze sundo zumbe rangi rikta yenten lu chadi shingi yenten lu yimaguwa rangi dera in senodi demichilu lap in ralu ngagel de yepsum chebe wachi romi jemi ge gelu yenten thayeba namka sumchida tinzaba jamso sumche yotigira beru dilu ngachi ge yimache rangi dera in senodi debachin chedare rangi gelu yenten kewi ge ngoma chi imda chechima nginsungi nena keni gi jumoma chi in Dia gadebe muzewachin dachagi temba sange shacha thubagi ngene genu lebi karma zemidi khoralu ngagil di yeble sange gi yenten ten zambo sumchu sangi dang peje zambo kepchula sope yenten kadem chira yero genu lebi karma khoralu ngagil di yebe wangibe sange gi gilu dendi yebe yenten desu khogi majeu matse sange lu yenten yero mero yedom ga cham chi ime sekoba jule ngajira ngagel gi gombulu yenten gi chumi cha zelapsel yedo zumbe gilong lebi karma khora meno khechi ngai rindu sange da nyam khadel meba cha juni gi kokap thopdi gira beru sange gi chinlap tilru chamya khoge gilu majum matse thanjulu khora ngewe gi nesuya ke gopchunu daru digiya matse lekshele kengdek cheba tingbala dunme namchang daru na se sundo zumbe mi laluchi gi rikta yenten gachi gi thele beru ngazum kaya mi se sem ngagel ki khengda bom ke di jawa cheba chingda bemilu tenda gani ya meba khongdisu gi magawa dazumbe dam ime da jura ngagel di ralu ken im hago shimle ngagel di gi ralu lebi shi chile ge mindu senu di ngagel di gade tata pha pang suba chin se di chingi kalu penthoni ime senu di ngagel di pha gade tata be pana se shuni ila katiche
Hello everyone, I will be sharing few lines on arrogance. I repeat, arrogance. Arrogance is the result of ignorance, and ignorance the result of lack of knowledge. However, even if you study well, it is the meaning that is not put into use, which finally gives birth to arrogance. Thinking you are better than any others, or acting more than anyone else than what you actually know, is the arrogance which leads to the fixed mindset of people. It narrows down the view of a people and learns very little. Thus, complacency overtakes people and it stops growth and progress. Arrogance does not have sense of feelings. Instead, it has a sharp tongue and a pointing fingers. So, arrogance is for those who feel insecure, who are weak and ignorant. The opposite of humanity is arrogance, the belief that you are wiser or better than others. Arrogance promotes separation rather than community. It looks like a brick wall between us and those from whom we learn. Don't always look down on people with arrogance. Try to be as much as good to people. Be tolerant with people. The Almighty will open the doors for you. If you have the spirit of understanding everything in a positive way, then you will enjoy each and every moment of your life, whether it's pressure or pleasure. Ignorance is an unhealthy ego which needs to be repaired. You know, your first bath was done by someone and your last bath will be done by someone. So where are you and what are you going to do with all your pride and arrogance? No one and none of the people will love to spend time with arrogant people. They are rejection to the spirit. The main cause of the evil which obstruct the source of knowledge in our mind is our arrogance. If a person has an arrogance, he or she will never appreciate or respect others' knowledge, all because of the inner sense of haughtiness. The sense of haughtiness is the worst block on the way of generating body, mind, and it will serve as the main cause of germinating in the lower realm. It was once happened in India during ancient times when Buddha Sakyamuni was spreading Buddhism. He has his attendant named Levikarma, who has a great arrogance. Because of his arrogance, he didn't notice the Buddha's immeasurable knowledge and says that Buddha has a very little ray of glass. He didn't receive even a single knowledge of Buddha and took rebirth in the lower realm, all because of the strong feelings of arrogance. And I quote, "The water drops of knowledge will never land on the balloon of arrogance," I unquote. If someone has a behavior which has a deep sense of haughtiness, then he or she will find everyone around them as an enemy. So, one should understand that arrogance is the main cause which lets everyone feel uncomfortable and germinate in the hell in our near future. So, be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be bold but don't bully. Be humble but not shy. Be confident but not arrogant. Thank you, one and all.